Mom said she has a surprise for me in my room. I'm really thirsty, so I'm gonna get something to drink before I go to my room and figure out the surprise. My dog Sophie's barking. Bella, shush, shush. My dog Bella. Sophie. Look. I see her. No. It's a dog, you guys. Hi, Bobby. Oh my God. You guys, look. JK, this is actually my dog, Bella. I've had her for... How old are you, Putty? She's like... We've had her since she was 1 day old. So, we've had her for... How many years? 3 or 4 years. Yeah. 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 We've had her for 3 years. I had her in 1st grade, 2nd grade, and then 3rd grade. Yay. No, I just had her in 2nd and 3rd, and then 4, so. Yeah, I've had her for 3 years. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love my puppy. So. That was just a joke, you guys. I didn't really just get this dog. I've had this dog for 3 years now. So thank you for watching. Bye.